To make sure you stay in control of your network, we also offer several remote management options. One being Intel AMT vPro, another one Chrome Remote Desktop, and also our own called AOPEN AiCU. With the AiCU, you will be able to push apps, do a remote reboot, or even do a backup and recovery in case your operating system or your computer for some reason crashes. All of this without having to send an engineer on site. Up next is a video where we will explain more in detail all of the functionality that you can have with our AiCU and the portal. Also, please contact us through the Partner Hub.
We now live in a modern world where digital transformation is fundamentally changing our lives and our businesses. The ever-increasing demand for personalized experiences in commercial environments requires advanced technologies that are simple to use. Without a simple solution, deploying and managing a fleet of devices becomes costly, full of duplicated efforts, like troubleshooting or system updates, traveling long distances to fix minor issues. The maintenance and manpower costs add up quickly. What if there was a solution so advanced that it solves complex issues with a simple user interface? One that allowed users to monitor and control whole fleets of hardware from a single location. In the modern world of artificial intelligence of things, AOPEN Intelligent Control Unit, AiCU is a smart AIoT solution that brings together cloud service with advanced device management technology. AiCU is a powerful management tool that enables integrators, software providers, and managed service providers with an easy-to-use central portal. From its dashboard, network operators can access critical information, locating active devices and assessing device health, for analyzing and predicting, and monitoring device usage. All these details are accessible through a single portal, avoiding downtime with real-time actionable data. AiCU offers a mechanism for network operators to troubleshoot and manage entire fleets of devices. With its embedded hardware controller and out-of-band connections, AiCU enables one-click device recovery. AiCU allows frontline workers to group devices and set different provisions, allowing swift deployments and daily operations. Updating systems and applications has never been easier. AiCU supports AOPEN Digital Engine and eTile series products. AiCU is the smart solution for enterprise deployments and business growth. With device management at your fingertips, your network remains accessible, even as it grows. Track the critical data that is most important to your network and grow your business with enterprise-grade tools. With an easy-to-use cloud platform, your business can focus on what matters. Keep your world turning and your business growing with AiCU.